Hello and welcome to How to Master. In this video, I will show you how to make Chase bank account. So let's get started. So go to your App Store or Android Store and download Chase app. Once downloaded, open Chase app. Once you open your app, it will take you to this page. So click on Open an account. Here you will see variety of options here. Click on Checking. It will redirect you to this browser. So scroll down and choose your account type and then click on Open Now. It will ask you whether you are a Chase customer or not. So click No here and click on Next. On this page, enter all your valid details here, such as your first name, middle name, last name, identification, date of birth, and all other details. Also select your ID type. Also enter your ID number and your address and contact info. Once you have entered all your details here, tap on Next. By clicking Next button, your Chase bank account will be created successfully.